You think about going to Prospect Heights? You want to buy in Prospect Heights? Well, you know who the guy in Prospect Heights. Let's talk One Prospect Park West. What's going on, good guys? Chris Newton here, Chris Newton Real Estate, chrisnewtonrealestate.com. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. Let's talk One Prospect Park West. One of the great condo communities in Prospect Heights is right by Prospect Park. World renowned, probably not world renowned, but definitely Brooklyn renowned, definitely New York renowned. Everybody in Brooklyn loves Prospect Park. Huge, goes all the way down to like Flatbush side by Empire Boulevard. It's amazing. You have, I don't know if they still have now, but back in the days, they used to have a trolley, right? They used to go down Eastern Parkway and take you, it used to be right across the street from Mount Prospect Park, right down Eastern Parkway, go all the way through Prospect Park, come out, leave you in front of Mount Prospect Park. It used to have, I think it used to be on Saturdays. So One Prospect Park West is definitely one of the properties that people go to because they want to be in that condo vicinity in Prospect Park, well, near Prospect Park, and it doesn't get any better than this. So we're in Park Slope. I keep saying Prospect Heights, whatever. Prospect Heights, Park Slope. It's right. So it's in Park Slope. It has 64 units, only 10 stories, so it's a smaller condo community. Only 10 stories, 64 units. Okay, so you don't have a million neighbors. As far as bedrooms, we have everything from a studio all the way up to a 4-bedroom. So we have studios, zero bedrooms, all the way up to a 4-bedroom. We all know that's great. So if you just wanted to be by yourself, you can, or yourself and a partner, you can in the studio. If you have a few loved ones that you would like to have there with you, you definitely have that option, being that you have the 4-bedroom. We're starting at 1,711 square feet, which is great. That's huge. And price per square foot is on average 2,104. So it's on the higher side. However, again, we're right in Park Slope and we're right by Prospect Park. You got to pay for that, right? Huge, get a lot of dogs, fun. I used to play football in Prospect Park, Mount Prospect Park and Prospect Park. You have the Brooklyn Public Library, which is right there. You have the museum right on Eastern Parkway in Washington Avenue. It has the geysers going up. You have tons of trains that you get, 2, 3. You could take the Flatbush extension if you were driving all the way to Manhattan Bridge to get to the city. So you kind of have everything. The local restaurants there are also great. Then you also have Open Street in Prospect Heights on Vanderbilt. So you have a lot of attractions. It's not always busy there. It's more so on the quiet side. And if you wanted to get to the action, you definitely could. It's an easy commute to get to the action right on Eastern Parkway. Labor Day is on Eastern Parkway, so it's not far. You can get where you want to go from this One Prospect Park West. The building is beautiful. It's took amenities. So you have a children's playroom, right? You also have a gym. You have a library. You have a roof terrace, a garden, and most importantly of all, Prospect Park, right? This is what's the selling point. Prospect Park, again, it's huge. You can have your picnics there. You can have meetings there if you wanted to. If you just wanted to go through a stroll in the park, if you wanted to. If you wanted to ride a bike, you could. Like, it's like a lot of people go there and exercise, go jogging, go running. You know, a lot of people it's a great community feel when you're in Prospect Park, when you go to Prospect Park. So One Prospect Park West, you have the amenities you need. They don't have tons of amenities, but they do have amenities. And the biggest amenity I would say is Prospect Park. So you're getting everything you pay for. It's not too expensive there. You give me a call. We'll set up a showing, and I'll definitely get you to see why you should buy that property or that condo in Prospect Park. All right. So One Prospect Park West, talk about it. Let's see it in person. Give me a call. Chris Newton. Hey, Chris, I want to go see a 3-bedroom in Prospect Park West. Can you help me? I already know. Give me 2 days. We'll be in there in 2 days. Most definitely. If you need to be in there tomorrow, we'll be in there tomorrow. All right, can't guarantee that, but you guys get the gist of what I'm saying. All right, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend. You guys found this informative. You guys want to see other units. You guys want to see other properties. And even if you want to see me do this with anything, let me know. Hit me in the comments. Hit me in the email. Hey, Chris at chrisnewtonrealestate.com, and let's get to it later.